Hello everyone, are you struggling to find the right words or phrases for your writing? Your Face AI is a powerful tool that helps you rephrase sentences and paragraph instantly. In this video, we'll introduce you to Rephrase AI and work it through the basics of using this tool. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Now guys, what I will need you to do is go to URL section and search for Rephrase AI here. Click on the first link and here we go. Now all you have to do is simply go ahead and create a free video from here. So this one will help you to make a text into a video, and it will be generated by an AI. And you, of course, so here I'm going to click on create a free video, and now just wait a little bit. Create an AI video, and here is just enter your name. So load it, for example, press. Enter your business work email address. So I'm going to put here this one, okay, and company name tutorial. And then enter here, how would you like to create your videos? Enter a blog here, how to convert it into video enter text and create it into a video. I'm going with this one actually, and now let's try to get to block. So let's think now of a subject that you want to make it into a video, and I think of nothing but League of Legends MSI article. So here I'm going to, for example, go here, edition, articles, try to copy this and try to actually mix it into a video. Submits. This video will be delivered to your email in a few minutes, so you can't really see the process. You can't really see anything. All you can do is wait a couple minutes, and then you will receive that in your email here. I'm going to log into my account real quick, and I will keep checking my email every instance from now until I finish this video so you can see if they have sent me everything. So for now, they haven't sent me anything right now. So welcome to Refresh Studio. This is their message, but there is still one more email that I'm waiting for. So now this is your Face AI difference. AI can actually, from here, you can import PowerPoints and start editing it. In here, you can actually select the template. And as you may notice here, you'll have to pay for it. And from this template, you will be able to actually literally create templates, PowerPoint presentations, videos using this AI. So it is very good here if you want to browsing. There is two kind of pricing. This, the personal one, which will allow you to have stock avatars, 10 video credits, 30-day validity, and 50+ languages landing page. And the other side, you will have everything from those other features, but you will have to talk to them in order to see the plans and the actual pricing for the blockchain video. So basically they can turn any kind of stunning videos, standing blogs into videos. This is an example on how it works. So you can literally turn everything into some Instagram feed, whatever you think of here, how it works. Enter your blog's link, shoot it over to us, and then check your inbox. It can be delivered in a couple minutes. So as you may notice, I'm still waiting for it to be received in my email. And yeah, it is completely free for this one. And for other technology they have, it is paid, of course. If we click here to technology enabled by generative technology, how it works. Cutting edge generative AI technology, this is how it works, and how they create videos, how they are much in the face of this person with your words that are seen in the video, and they make it all perfect. So you feel like you're watching a real video, which is pretty insane, and they actually name of it is your phrase. So they actually have the option, offer, present the text that you have. So if you insert any kind of text, in case you did that, you will have literally everything between your hands. So let me just go here, create a free video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose now create a video. Just here, something like that, the same thing here, the same thing. And instead of that, I'm going to enter a text. So for the text, I'm going to choose here and pick up someone. So let's go with Jason, okay? And then here, the background that I want it to be, so living room, and from here, English. And now answer here. So what is the text that you are going to do? So I'm going to copy this and paste it there. I have passed so awesome type of message for your favorite avatar to bring to life. Example, text to use, turn phrase, we're building races, okay? So I'm going to say hi submit. And then the same effect, they will send the video in a couple minutes. So in all cases, you will have to wait until the video will be sent to you, which is concussion time. You don't know what I see, what is a few minutes for them, but in general, they will send it for you successfully. Since this is a whole famous platform, it is no joke, guys. They have so many people using it. You can check their website, their career about them, and everything here is legit. It looks pretty good. You can even apply to one of the jobs that are like doing right now. For example, senior first tech developer, front end engineer, senior products and manager designer, and deep learnings in your researcher. So all of us jobs they are now looking for. So you can actually apply to one of them and join their team. And in case, guys, you didn't achieve anything with that, you can contact them through here, and it is pretty easy to conduct them. Add your name, Lolly. Okay, here is your email address, your number, so it's going to be something like that. And here we go, number doesn't look right, so the same thing. So skip it, you can go back, and then you can contact them and check what you'd like so they can actually make some personalization for you. You can just give them the idea and they will create for you, publish it, and you both can analyze it, as you can see. Here, these are the process, and they can assist you with a 30-minute video shoot for digital avatar if you'd like to. You can even submit yourself as one of these people that are talking and they will play. Of course, there is no problem. No worry about that. And yeah, this is pretty awesome, guys, to have them as your like sponsors or something like that. You will see yourself talking in a bunch of videos, which is, for some people, it is pretty interesting. These are some of the trucks by 15 plus leading brands as Amazon, Microsoft, DBS, Ryman Castro, Mondays. And much more than that. You can check that out by yourself, as I said, guys, in the beginning of this video. So yeah, guys, that was completely yes about this video, and it seems like they will send me the video in like a couple minutes, and I didn't receive it yet. So unfortunately, I won't be able to show you that. So thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.